Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks for a thriving garden. Today, we're tackling a common issue: leggy broccoli plug plants. If your broccoli seedlings have grown tall and spindly, don't worry. We've got some solutions to help you revive them and ensure healthy growth. Let's get started. Before we jump into fixing leggy broccoli plug plants, let's understand why they become leggy in the first place. Legginess occurs when seedlings stretch towards inadequate light sources, resulting in weak stems and limited foliage development. To fix leggy broccoli plug plants, it's crucial to provide them with sufficient light. If you're growing indoors, consider using grow lights positioned close to the plants. Alternatively, place them near a south-facing window where they can receive at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight each day. This will help promote strong and sturdy growth, preventing the plants from becoming too tall and weak. Additionally, make sure to keep the temperature around the plants consistent and avoid extreme fluctuations. Water the plants regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can also contribute to leggy growth. Instead, use a balanced fertilizer and follow the recommended dosage. If your broccoli plug plants are already leggy, you can try transplanting them into deeper containers, burying the stems deeper in the soil. This will encourage the plants to develop stronger roots and a more compact growth habit. Pruning can also help to promote bushier growth. Pinch off the top of the plants when they reach about 6 inches in height. This will encourage the development of side shoots and prevent the plants from growing too tall. In conclusion, providing sufficient light, maintaining consistent temperature and moisture levels, avoiding over-fertilization, and implementing pruning techniques can all help to fix leggy broccoli plug plants and promote healthier growth. By following these tips, you'll be able to enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious and nutritious broccoli from your garden or indoor growing space. To encourage bushier growth and strengthen the stems, it's time for some pruning and pinching. Using clean scissors or your fingers, carefully trim off the top few inches of the leggy stems. This will stimulate branching and redirect energy towards lateral growth. If your leggy broccoli plug plants have outgrown their current containers, it's time to transplant them into larger pots or your garden bed. Ensure the new containers have enough space for the roots to spread out. When transplanting, bury the leggy stems deeper, leaving only a few leaves above the soil. This will provide additional support and encourage root development along the buried stem. Water your transplanted broccoli plants thoroughly, ensuring the soil is evenly moist. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Additionally, feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer, following the package instructions.